Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Video today is for everyone, but if you are the type of person who wants a custom look to your tumbler without going to the big box stores and purchasing one already made, but you're also not the type of person who likes to or wants to work with epoxy and glitter and Mod Podge and paint and all that jazz, this is the perfect video for you. You can get a custom look on your tumblers without having to use epoxy and paint and all that. So I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to achieve that and still have something that you yourself created and made your own. So we are starting out with this 20 ounce from the Coral Palms. This is tie-dyed. Now it looks like it's been sublimated on there because I can't feel any of the paint or anything like that. So it is sort of a tapered tumbler. Now these are UV DTF wraps, which I purchased from the Creative Mustard Seed, and I will have them linked down below for you if you want to check them out. These are made to go on the 16 ounce Libby glass cups. However, we are going to be using one of these today for this tumbler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the images apart and just place them individually on the tumbler where I want them to be placed. Now, let me explain a little bit on the UV DTF wraps. These look like they have a white backing, but that's just the paper. Once you peel the paper away from the image, these are clear. You are waterproof, however, they are not dishwasher or microwave safe. So you cannot, I wouldn't recommend putting them on, say, like a coffee mug. I know sometimes I will stick my coffee mug in the microwave to heat it up a little bit. You couldn't do that. But they are waterproof, so you can hand wash them. And they don't need any kind of sealing. They're just ready to go as is. So once we get these cut apart, like I said, we're just going to place these on the tumbler in random spots wherever we think they need to be placed. And I'm not going to sand the tumbler or anything, but I am going to just sort of wipe it down with a little bit of rubbing alcohol just to free it of any kind of debris, fingerprints, anything like that. So without further hesitation, let's go ahead. I'm going to speed this up a little bit, but I'm going to let this play through so that you can see the process. the words and phrases on this tumbler are things that Jesus says we are. We are loved, we are forgiven, we are a light, we are redeemable, all those things. And, life gets tough sometimes. So I think having this as a reminder that, Jesus died for us. I mean, what a concept. You know, would you die for someone you loved? I just think this is a beautiful, beautiful tumbler. And like I said, it just reminds us that even when life gets tough and when people may not seem like they care, Jesus loves us. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this has taught some of you out there who maybe is not as interested in working with epoxy and things like that. I hope this video has showed you that you can still customize a tumbler. It's pretty quick, pretty simple. You just have to have the UV DTF wraps, but again, you can make it your own. I mean, the way that the wrap was created, that's not the way that I laid the images out on the tumbler. I put them where I wanted them. So, just a super cute and pretty quick process, but again, still customized. So, again, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell for notifications. I do try to upload a new video every week. I originally had said Monday, and then I changed it to Wednesday. And sometimes I don't make the Wednesday deadline, so I apologize for that. But, life does happen and things get in the way. But if you click on the bell for notifications, then no matter when I upload a video, you'll be notified when it drops. So, don't forget to do that. But as always, I thank everyone for watching, and I hope you all have a blessed day.